How to buy money token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. And as you can see, sorry guys, this token is available on the screener. It created 17 hours ago and increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's mean your investment in safe place. This token, as you can see, trending #1 in the Binance Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your Bitcoin wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network from here. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token to start as it called money. Now click on it, swap, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT, of course, on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. In here you will be able to see how much you receive the token, as you can see. After that, clicking on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy money token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.